Welcome to Thena's channel. This is the Livingston Manor House, a stunning modern retreat designed by Marc Thorpe Design, located in the serene Catskill Mountains, United States. Nestled amidst a snowy forest, this 1,800-square-foot home is a perfect escape from city life. Designed for a Brooklyn-based graphic designer and his family, it features an open living and dining area, 2 bedrooms, a utility room, and a bathroom. Its most striking feature is the deep triangulated cantilevered roof, appearing to float over the wooden deck. The house embraces passive design principles, ensuring ultra-low energy consumption while harmonizing with its natural surroundings. The dark exterior contrasts beautifully with the snow, creating a bold yet inviting presence. This house is not just a structure, but an architectural statement, modern, minimalistic, and deeply connected to nature. The living space showcases a minimalist aesthetic with floor-to-ceiling windows, maximizing natural light and framing the forest views. A neutral color palette, modern furnishings, and organic textures create a warm yet contemporary atmosphere. The high ceilings enhance spatial openness, while the seamless integration of wood and metal adds a refined contrast. Floor-to-ceiling black-framed glass windows define the space, maximizing natural light and seamlessly blending the interior with the surrounding forest. The open-concept design integrates a minimalist kitchen with matte black cabinetry, a sleek black marble island, and warm wood accents. A floating staircase and high vaulted ceilings enhance vertical space. A modern kitchen featuring matte black cabinetry, open shelving, and a black marble island with warm wood paneling. High clear-story windows maximize natural light and spatial openness. The bedroom features a modern minimalist design with clean lines and a neutral color palette. Large windows maximize natural light, enhancing the sense of space. The flooring is composed of high-quality tiles, ensuring durability and easy maintenance. Recessed ceiling lights provide balanced illumination, complementing the smooth wall finishes. The open layout allows for seamless movement, while carefully placed structural elements add depth. Subtle textures and precise detailing highlight the architectural craftsmanship, creating a serene and functional retreat. The bathroom features a sculptural concrete bathtub, complemented by large format tiles and a floor-mounted black faucet. A tall window enhances natural light and ventilation,